Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create curved text on InShot application. Okay, here I have created a project on my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to add tags to my project. We can click on text, and for instance, I'm just going to type curve text. Okay, and after that, if we want to make it curved, we just need to click on this icon. And then we can select this one. We can go right and go left to adjust it. And I'm going to make it like this. And after that, we can click on this check mark. And this is the result. And I guess that's how we can create curved text on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.